All right, Python Web Conference folks, I've got Hayley Denbraver with me today, and we are talking about Python Web Conf 2021. You are one of our alumni speakers from last year, and I know people really enjoyed your talk. What do you got in store for us this year?
Well, I'm really excited to be back. I am going to take a look into some of the things that maybe we ignore as software developers and the problems and issues that really deserve more attention and deserve conscious action rather than reaction uh, or an afterthought. So these are things like security and accessibility and diverse and inclusive teams, things like that. But as always, I try to have a fun twist on it.
Yeah,
And
I'm
yeah.
excited about this one. I don't know if you want to give a little teaser into what that twist is.
Oh, well, so it's just a little bit sci-fi and it should be fun for everybody.
Awesome. I really look forward to it. And speaking of looking forward to things, you attended last year and got to kind of enjoy the conference. What are you looking forward to this year's conference?
Well, I'm looking forward to hopefully going to more of the tracks or to more of the talks just because the format's different. So
Yeah.
it'll be nice over a few days.
Yeah, we added an additional track. We've got like more days, but like shorter time frames to allow people to kind of be able to attend and still work.
Experience it more. Yeah. And I don't know if you all are having Mario Kart again, but that was fun last year. And
I think
I
I've got my
learned my
Switch right
skills are
here.
not up to scratch.
I'll be ready to go.
Yeah, I need to practice.
I know, because Chrissy's really
um,
good. I think she was the one who put it on last year.
yeah, yeah. So just fun events and meeting more Python folks from around the country and the world or wherever.
Yeah. I think we've already got people from 19 different countries who've got tickets already in hand, and we're still about a month out from the event. So I have,
That's
I
awesome.
have big expectations that we'll have a really global community coming together for the event.
Mhm.
Awesome.
Yeah, it
Well,
sounds great.
Haley, I'm really looking forward to seeing you in March. Thank you so much for joining us, and I really appreciate you being a part of the event.
Of course, I'm looking forward to it.